Welcome back. Sriram Bharatham, CEO and founder, Iridium Interactive, is making the internet accessible for the visually challenged and also has visually challenged professionals working for him. Visually challenged software engineers are part of the workforce at Sriram's firm, which works towards making web pages accessible to the blind.
Chances are that a visitor to Iridium Interactive's office will spend a good half hour in the firm without seeing the truth. About 5% of the employees are visually challenged. They go about their work like any other professional, sitting at their desktops, making presentations, interacting with US-based clients, and even heading projects. Sriram Bharatham, the CEO and founder of Iridium Interactive, won the Kaufman Community Award for Social Entrepreneurship for raising a fund of $1.5 million for the 1999 Orissa cyclone victims. A random survey of all the internet sites of Indian origin revealed that most were inaccessible to blind. In contrast, in most countries abroad, accessibility to physical structures and cyberspaces including internet sites are mandated by law. 10% of India's population is blind. To add to this, the baby boomers are adding to the count, making it almost 20% in plus. Sriram has been lobbying with the policymakers to make the necessary changes in the disabilities law, the right to information law, and other related statutes to make web accessibility a must.
Came out with this concept of a website called www.causeandeffect.org. On this website there's a button they call Save a Life. Any visitor coming to the website, click on it once and the page opens with about 18 different corporates putting their identity, and each brand in return would pay the website 50 paisa. I was very glad that using these online communities and social networking, we were able to generate almost 18 million community and raised almost $1.5 million, roughly about 6 crores of rupees. Inspired by this, I went about starting this company called Iridium Interactive. And looking back in the last 7+ years, we have done tremendous amount of work for the society, for the industry.
Rakesh, one of the visually challenged software engineers in the firm who conducts training sessions during the weekends, says working at Iridium has helped him fine-tune his skill sets.
The main aim of the project is to make accessible the projects accessible, different websites accessible for disabled. My work in that is to test whether the website is properly working for various disabled or not, and I have to report it to my colleagues in which areas the website is not properly working, so that the engineers who are familiar in that areas will make it out and clarify the problems and make the websites accessible for disabled.
They are visually challenged, yet empowered. The power of web lies in its universality. Access by everyone regardless of disability is an essential aspect. Let's all pray that Sriram's efforts bring fruitful results.